It's extremely important today for experience to be there and not just classroom. I like it, and not everyone likes it. I like it when our students keep saying, this is a student-driven campus. What better than that for a management school? They should feel like budding managers. Now, as far as educating is concerned, there are three parameters under educating that the PIR looks at. The first is what are the programs you run. Right? The second that they're looking at is what is the kind of learning methodologies that you use, and the third is what's the student support you provide. Now, as far as the programs we run, GIM started off on a path some years back, close to a decade back, saying that we think management is getting specialized and therefore you need specialized programs. It was a risk because 10 years before that, business schools who had run specialized programs, they didn't work. But we were convinced. So what we did is, we did 2-year-long surveys. We decided to launch a specialized management program on healthcare management. In 2018, we launched the same thing, a similar kind of a specialized program, 2 years, full-time on big data analytics. And last year in 2020, we started one on new age banking, insurance and financial services. These all trigger points for it was what was happening in the industry and in the environment in India. In addition to it, there are a lot of other things that we do in our existing programs, including we run the Atal Incubation Center that is there on campus here, which helps startups across the country as well as students who want to create wealth and want to have their own startups and their own business ideas to be tested, mentored and put into action. The second part is the learning methods. So, business school anyway, top business schools use a variety of learning methods. It's extremely important today for experience to be there and not just classroom. In addition to having the regular summer internship program that different programs have, we also have a program called Give Goa, where every single student spends one day, every Thursday, spent with an organization on a project that's year long. We have specialized things like, the healthcare students, they do a program called KYHP, Know Your Healthcare Provider, where they'll spend the entire day in a hospital, in pharmaceutical units, in medical device, in a retail pharmacy shop, in PHCs, to see what's happening day to day. Is it that, are the realities that are there at, at ground level, are they mimicked by what's being taught in the classroom, or is there a disconnect? But we also use simulation games, we have outbound field projects, role plays. The main thing here is to engage students and to bring about, more experiential learning. That's what going to go beyond theory. The third part is student support. I like it, and not everyone likes it. I like it when our students keep saying, this is a student-driven campus. What better than that for a management school? They should feel like budding managers. How do we do that? In most of the activities that we do in the institute, students play an integral part. We have 26 student clubs, societies and organizations. If they feel they run the campus, they run the institution,